Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit paragraph styles and character styles very quickly. So by opening up the paragraph styles panel window, we know that we can go in and double click here and we can go through these sections and edit the paragraph styles that we've got applied to this particular document. But going through this can be quite complicated and confusing. There's lots of different things to look at. So an easier way to do that would be, for example, to highlight a particular paragraph, then just use the paragraph and character panel windows themselves. So for example, if I wanted to turn off hyphenation, I've got an easy option here to turn off hyphenation. So if I come in and just tick that off, it takes off the little dashes that you have when words go over onto two lines. So when a word is split to go over to two lines, it actually puts a little hyphen between it, and that doesn't look very good in text, so you always want to take hyphenation off. It may be also that you want to increase the line spacing, which is known as the leading. So you can do that by clicking here, and what it's doing is it's increasing the line spacing in that one paragraph. So here I've made a change to this paragraph here, but I want it to apply to all of my paragraphs. In other words, I now need those changes to be applied to my paragraph styles. So if I go back into the paragraph styles panel window, that's this one here, you'll see that it says that this is my paragraph style that I created, which was called body style text, but it's got a little plus next to it, which means that I've made a change to this paragraph and it's overriding the default body style text that I'd set. So to fix that, all I need to do is right mouse click and say to it that I want to redefine the style. So if I choose redefine the style, it means that this style that I created earlier now takes on the changes that I've made, that's no hyphenation and increasing the line spacing, and it will apply it now to all of the paragraphs that this paragraph style is applied to. So redefine style and all of my paragraphs change. So that's a really nice way for you to update and change your paragraph and character styles in the same way. Now what if I come in here and I highlight a paragraph and I want to make a change to it? So let's go back into, say for example, character styles, and let's reduce the leading that we've got going on here. So if I come into paragraph and I come in and I want to play and change a few things, so let's say I make it all left aligned on that particular one. Let's go back to character, let's take down these values and reduce the line spacing. Now say I did that and then I thought to myself, oh no, I didn't want to do that, that was a mistake. I can come back in here to my paragraph styles panel window. You can see the clear overrides, so it's telling me that I'm trying to override the paragraph styles that I've got in here. I'm just going to drag this out so you can see it clearly. But this time, instead of redefining the style, because I don't want all my paragraphs to take on this new style, in fact I've made a mistake, I don't want this style anymore, what I can do is just come here and say apply my original body style text, that's this one, and clear the overrides that I just applied. So if I choose this option, it should revert back to normal, as long as I've got it all, or as long as I've got each of the paragraphs highlighted. So I'm going to go to apply body style text and clear the changes that I'd made, and then it puts it back to how we want it. So that's just a nice clear way of using the character panel window and the paragraph panel window to make clear and easy changes to your paragraph and character styles, and then update your paragraph and character styles. You don't have to use these character and paragraph panel windows, you could also have used all of the options up here as well. So this one here would relate to your character, this one here switches to the paragraph options. So it's the same options here, just displayed in a different way. But as soon as you make changes, remember to right mouse click and say redefine the style, and then it will apply throughout the document.